our channel. Hi, I'm Claire. I'm 16.
Hi, I'm Walker. I'm 13.
And we react to stuff, specifically music from the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. And if you dig that kind of music, be sure to subscribe down below and hit those post notifications so you get notified every time we post. And hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody in our AC/DC Let There Be Rock video,
Check it out.
yeah, go check it out if you haven't seen it, commented that they could solve a Rubik's Cube in less than 3 minutes. So Walker's gonna do it. Scramble it.
Just hurry up.
Okay. Alright, and while he solves that, I'm gonna read the letter. So, yeah, we're reacting to Grand Funk Railroad. We're an American band. And here's the letter that Dad left us. He says, these guys were popular in the 70s, and was one of my aunt's favorite bands. Our operation game just made a noise. Okay. This is one of their most popular songs, and I know you will love it. So, yeah, I'm excited. Is that a frog or is that a game? I bet it's a frog. Comment down below if you can hear the frog. They live in our pool. Sometimes at night, if we're swimming, they'll just be little frogs like swimming across the pool. They're adorable. Yep.
Of course, they turn white.
Yeah, and they're all like bleached white because they're swimming in chlorine. We're like, you're doing this to yourself. But then you can't move them anywhere else because then they're white, and if you put them anywhere else, then the birds will see them more easily. So you ruin their whole camouflage situation.
Almost done here.
Booyah. Oh, shoot. Alright. So, now that you should have done it. You should have sat up higher so they could have seen you do it. But I'll vouch. He did do that. And we didn't do a switcheroo because all of the other Rubik's Cubes in this house
Oh, that was low. Dang it.
are cheap and suck. So, he actually did this. I watched him. Alright. So, on with the song.
Plus, he heard the whole thing. Dang, I thought I was holding it up high.
You weren't.
Whatever.
One, two, now, two.
We get
Yeah.
a tuning session. Whoa.
They have quite the hair.
Are you still rolling? Yeah. Good. Oh, we got it? Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh. What was that sound?
I don't know. It kind of sounded like a cowbell. Cowbell.
Yeah, it kind of sounded like he was hitting a tin can. I can tell this is 70s. Is that cowbell? I think it is.
On the road for 40 days. Last night in Little Rock, put me in a haze. Sweet, sweet Connie, to the act. She had the whole show, and that's a natural fact.
That looks fun.
Yeah. I got to tell you
like that keyboard.
Such a cool motorcycle.
I like this song.
It's fun. Skills.
Said, come on, dudes. I love that. I like the bass.
Yeah.
I'm slowly learning to hear it.
Very consistent.
Repetition? Oh yeah. That's a pretty horse. Very nice solo right there. Short and sweet. Oh, they're children.
Grand
Fun.
Funk. Grand Funk. That is such a 70s band name.
Alright, I
It's
can
like,
operate
it's
a computer.
this kind of thing that makes me happy I'm an American.
I know. And that thing when they were walking, they're like just being goofy. That's definitely something I've done. I'll just be like, hello, and then my family just like
Kanga. I can't.
I don't know. That might just be our family thing. We're
psychos.
we are lots of funny dances, screaming and stuff. I don't know. That could just be us, but I think the funny walking is definitely an American thing. Comment down below if you're from another country and you walk around weird like that for fun. Yes, but this is a really, really good song. I really like this one. It was just fun and upbeat. That was a nice little guitar solo too. I think it kind of packed the punch, even though it was short and sweet. Walker, give me some commentary. Give me some.
That dude had a nice fro.
Yes.
That bass was really bumping.
It was. I heard it. I heard the bass. I'm so proud of myself. If you couldn't tell, that I'm like learning to actually hear the bass. And yes, it was good. I enjoyed the bass.
And that guitarist had a pretty nice little solo. And I like how they like are all singing together.
I also, yeah, they were all singing together, weren't they? I like that just clicked in my head. That doesn't happen in most of our songs that we react to. It's usually like just the lead singer and then everybody else will come in for like a harmony and that's it. If you enjoyed that song and you enjoyed us enjoying that song, please subscribe down below and hit those post notifications so you get notified every time we post. What happens if they don't subscribe?
That subscription ghost is gonna come.
Yep.
Gonna delete your subscriptions.
Yes. The subscription ghost will come for you. Okay. And don't forget to smash that like button if you liked it. And comment down below anything that we missed because we love being educated by you guys. And yeah, and check our description box for
You're
any other
yawning.
links.
You're
Me?
yawning at home.
All right. Bye.